Hey, I'm Alex, and today we're going to look at the new Mill Spindle C-Axis option and the right angle heads that go along with it. Angled heads let you take your mill spindle, shrink it, and turn it on its side. This opens the door to machining impossible to reach areas like cutting keyways and oil grooves inside of bores, or milling, drilling, and tapping on faces that would be impossible to reach with a normal vertical spindle. These tools are nothing new and have been around much longer than I've been machining, but they've always had a significant limitation. They're limited to cutting in one orientation. The Mill Spindle C-Axis solves this problem. This option for new 40 taper VF and VM machines lets you control the orientation of the right angle head like a rotary axis. This servo-controlled rotary is capable of indexing to any position and simultaneous 4-axis contouring. The Spindle C-Axis takes the place of a single-axis rotary. It does require an axis drive, and this means it can be paired with an additional single-axis rotary, but that cannot be installed at the same time with a trunnion or dual-axis rotary. The Spindle C-Axis doesn't require any modification to the tool changer and sits above the gauge line of an unmodified spindle nose, so the machine's Z-travel remains unchanged. The C-Axis comes equipped with a tooling block designed to work with the right angle tools that are available on HaasTooling.com, and the modular design allows for different vendors' tools to be used with minor modifications. We've partnered with MST Kitagawa out of Japan to offer 3 different right angle tools on HaasTooling.com. A drill mill head, a dedicated tapping head, and a mini head for those hard to reach places. All of these are plug and play with the C-Axis, and they can also be used on machines without the C-Axis option by using a static tooling block. These tooling blocks will be available soon on HaasTooling.com. The drill mill head uses Kitagawa's Data 1 collet system and can clamp tool shanks ranging from 2.5 to 13 millimeters. This is a general purpose head designed for drilling and light duty milling. These tapping heads have a built-in tension compression mechanism to make up for any synchronization errors during rigid tapping and will extend the life of your taps and make better quality threads. The mini head uses a standard ER11 collet and features a reversible collet shut. Keep it in this orientation for a tighter fit into internal features, or flip it around to reach the bottom of long walls. All of these tools are fully compatible with side mount tool changers and can be run through the carousel like any other tool. This means no additional M0s, no loading tools by hand, and the option to run unattended. All of these are also driven directly by the mill spindle. Unlike coolant-driven tools, these are more robust, offer precision RPM control, have fewer parts to wear out, and don't require a high-pressure TSC pump. The initial setup is easy. Align the spindle drive dog slots with the tool and the spindle drive dogs with the tapered pin with the tooling block in the C-axis. Lock the adjusting ring down. Then, align the cutting head with the machine's positive X-axis. This ensures that the tool tip is facing towards the center of the tool changer wheel and offers the most clearance. Consult the online user's manuals for complete installation instructions and the recommended cutting parameters for a variety of materials. Programming isn't too difficult. Mark's tip of the day video that's linked here goes over the basics of right angle tool programming. The next software release will also include an updated offset table and TCPC to fully support these tools. If you want to see how I program these parts with the current control and software, let us know in the comments and we'll do a deep dive into some advanced G-codes and programming techniques. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.